Hi, so I'm going to show you how you can get an official 13.0 MIUI update on your Redmi Note 9s. So in many regions like in Pakistan, we did not got this official update to MIUI 13. We were updated to 12.5, but I figured out a way out through which you can officially get the original MIUI update, and everything is working fine. Like you can see that there are two networks on my phone that are running at full signal strength, and there's no PTA issue or anything, right? So what you need to do is you need to come to the settings and type region, REGION, and press enter. You will go to this setting, right? By default your original region, like in my case Pakistan, was set. You need to recheck it to Egypt. Once you will do that, then you need to go to about phones, and here on the left where 13 is written, 12.5 would have been written. Click here and it will show you the update, and you can directly download it and install it on your phone. That is it for this video. Now one more thing, that there are many features that are not allowed in our region in Pakistan. Like you cannot edit the theme, but once you will reset the region to any other region like Egypt, you will be able to install custom themes as well, and everything's gonna work smoothly, right? So that is it for this video. Let's meet in another one.